As we all know, celebrities have been spending way too much money on real estate in recent times. In fact, they are rebuying up so many properties that it's starting to push prices even higher than they were before. And if you think about it, most of these stars have pretty large families and need plenty of space for everyone to live comfortably together. But what really catches our eyes is how some houses are more extravagant or unique looking than others. Let's take a look at the top 5 smart homes owned by celebrities in 2025 and see what makes them different from one another. Number 5. Taylor Swift's Beverly Hills Mansion. In May 2021, Taylor Swift dropped $80 million on an exquisite mansion in Beverly Hills that spans over 10,000 square feet. The house was built back in 1952, but it had been completely renovated prior to her purchase. It boasts 7 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, with each bedroom suite having its own private balcony. While we don't know exactly what kind of security measures this property has, we can assume that it's quite safe, given how many expensive cars are parked around the driveway. From the outside, though, there isn't anything particularly eye-catching about the facade itself, which is why it didn't make our list last year. However, now that she's made some changes to the exterior design, it definitely deserves a spot here. In addition to adding greenery around the yard, she also installed motion sensor lights along the garden walls, which illuminates automatically when anyone passes by. This allows guests to navigate through the pathways safely without having to worry about tripping over anything or turning on any light switches. Plus, it gives off a warm glow that creates an inviting atmosphere at night. For Beyoncé and Jay-Z's Malibu beachfront estate. Back in April 2020, Beyoncé and Jay-Z purchased a stunning beachfront property in Malibu, California for a whopping $88 million. The couple had been searching for the perfect vacation home for years before they finally found this gem. Situated on 3/4 of an acre, this contemporary-style mansion offers panoramic ocean views from almost every room inside. There are floor-to-ceiling windows that allow natural light to pour in and highlight the sleek furnishings and artwork throughout. Outside, a long infinity pool stretches out towards the horizon, blurring the line between land and sea. It's like taking a dip in the Pacific Ocean without ever leaving your own backyard. We bet Blue Ivy and her siblings love playing Marco Polo here during summer afternoons. And when they get older, maybe even hosting their own parties on the sprawling deck overlooking the water. With state-of-the-art sound systems and lighting, this could be one heck of a house party. 3. Ryan Reynolds and Blake Lively's Bedford, New York farmhouse. This celebrity power couple snagged a beautiful $20 million farmhouse in Bedford, New York back in 2016. The property had originally been listed for $28 million, but the pair negotiated a lower price tag. It's located just an hour away from Manhattan. This sprawling 13,000 square foot estate is perfect for raising their 3 children. Built in 1924, it has since been updated with modern amenities while still retaining much of its rustic charm. There are exposed beams and wood-burning fireplaces throughout the interior spaces, giving it a cozy feel despite its grand size. Outside, manicured gardens surround the house with paths leading down to a pond and gazebo. They even have their own private beach on Lake Wakabak, where they can enjoy swimming and boating during warmer months. Talk about a dream home. Number 2. Orlando Bloom and Katy Perry's Montecito Manor. After getting engaged in February 2019, this whimsical couple decided to buy a $12.5 million estate in Montecito, California. The stunning 7,000 square foot Italianate style villa was built in 1932 and has since undergone several renovations. Inside, there are hand-stenciled ceilings and antique chandeliers hanging above marble floors. French doors open up onto terraces perfect for outdoor dining or lounging around in the evening air. Outside, lush gardens envelop the property, providing privacy from prying eyes and noise. They also have a grotto and swimming pool surrounded by palm trees and other tropical plants. It feels like paradise on earth. In addition to all that, They also own an eco-friendly farm in the Santa Ynez Valley where they grow organic fruits, vegetables, and flowers. With such a large space, we imagine that both Orlando and Katie will have plenty of room to entertain guests as well as raise their daughter. Daisy Dove Bloom. Number 1. Kim Kardashian's Hidden Hills Smart Home. Last but certainly not least is Kim Kardashian's Hidden Hills Smart Home. After calling it quits with Kanye West earlier this year, she put the finishing touches on her $70 million palace that she shares with her 4 children: North, St., Chicago, and Som. At first glance, you might think that this house is just another one of Calabasas' many mansions, but looks can be deceiving. From the street, there is no way to tell what lies behind those gates, because everything inside is controlled via an app on Kim's phone. For example, if someone breaks into the house while she's away, she can lock down the entire property remotely, controlling security cameras and alarms throughout. Even if there's a power outage, Kim won't have to worry about anything thanks to backup generators and solar panels installed on the roof. It's truly a technological marvel. And although we may never know all of its secrets, we can appreciate how high-tech features blend seamlessly with old-school luxury here. Now, if you want to see what kind of vacations these celebrities are going on, check out the video on the screen. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing videos like this. See you next time.